Ma'am, in the 7th question.
X and Y are equal, AB is equal to CB. Then prove that AE and CD are equal. Okay. Okay. So when you take this angle, X and Y are equal. So this angle and this angle is equal. And you have to prove the triangle AE and CD you have to show equal. That means AEB and DBC. These two triangles you have to prove congruent, right? AEB and BDC triangle you have to prove congruent. For that, if these two angles are equal, then their linear pairs will be
Equal.
equal. Because if this angle is 30, 30, that means 180 minus 30 is 150. 180 minus 30 is 150. So these two angles are also equal. So therefore now B, D, C and B, E, A triangle. Angle E and angle D are equal. Then angle B is common angle and BC is equal to BA. So by AAS criteria, two triangles are congruent triangles.
Angle D is common, no?
B is common, no?
Oh yeah.
DBC and EBA. In triangle DBC and triangle EBA, BC is equal to BA, which is one angle DBC is equal to angle EBA, that is common. This is given. And angle BDC is equal to angle BEA. If X is equal to Y, then 180 minus X is equal to 180 minus Y. Okay, so therefore, here I have written, because I couldn't write it upward, you have to show it first and then you have to write it here. And you can write the reason as given from 1, what you have proved earlier. Then triangle BDC is congruent to triangle BEA by AAS. And therefore, CD is equal to AE. Simplicity. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt? How many of you have solved? First tell me. Because most of the students have not solved.
Ma'am, I have solved and I have sent it to you.
Yes, Pranjal, I got to know yours. Others?
Mom did not solve. Sorry.
Exams, I think so now is on Thursday, no?
Mom, Tuesday.
Tuesday, and after that next Tuesday. This week, no, nothing is there. In this,
Ma'am?
on this Tuesday, which exam?
Ma'am, this Tuesday we don't have exam because this Tuesday is a holiday.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
13th we have SST. 13th.
Yes, mom. 13th we have SST.
Thursday.
Oh yeah, sorry, mom. It's Thursday. Yeah.
Thursday, not Tuesday. That's what I told you. So you have plenty of a time. Then why you are not doing?
Ma'am, and I could not do. I'll do and send it.
If you don't do this 1 month, if you keep spending only time on the 20 marks test, immediately they will give you 80 marks test. What you will do for that? And Do you feel it is enough to solve only from NCERT? Is that enough?
No, ma'am.
That means you have to try more, solve many more questions. You have NCERT, you have to solve NCERT exemplar, you have to solve RS Agarwal, you have to solve RD Sharma. And you have to practice also. First you have to solve it and then you have to practice also. So when you will get time? You will get time only when if you solve this faster. Right? If you're waiting, that is my exam will get over, then I will solve. You have a plenty of a time in between. So you have to spend time for the further portions also. Because your exam time will be the same. They are not going to change any exam time. The information came from this one also. KV only it came already. It is exams, whatever the time it is, it will be the same. They are not going to change anything. And they are not cancelling also. Yes, solve this. Here in this figure, OA is equal to OB, OP is equal to OQ. Then we have to prove that PX is equal to QX. From my figure, it's not possible to see, but yes, it is. We have to show. And AX is equal to BX. Switch on your video first. How to solve this question?
Ma'am,
Yes.
should we show congruent between triangle QXB and PXA?
That we have to show.
Yeah. So we have PA is equal to QB because they have given that OA is equal to OB and OP is equal to OQ. So PA is also is equal to QB.
Right.
That we have one side.
Here two triangle congruency you have to prove. To prove these two triangles, QXB and PXA, we have only two things to be equal. That is, one is BQ and AP are equal and vertically opposite angles. That is only know that it is equal. But other things is needed. So for that we have to show the larger triangle BOP and AOQ. Congruency we have to prove first. So in that, BO is equal to OA, OP is equal to OQ, and angle O is common angle. So by SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. And then by CPCT, you have to take angle B and angle A are equal. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So first you have to prove BOP triangle and AOQ triangle congruency by SAS. OA is equal to OB, OP is equal to OQ, and angle O is common angle. So therefore by CPCT, angle OBP and angle QAO are equal angle by CPCT. Now use these two triangles, BXQ and AXP. In that this is vertically opposite angle. These two angles we have proved equal, and then BQ is equal to AP. So therefore by AAS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore we can write PX is equal to QX and BX is equal to AX. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Proof. First, OB, OA is equal to OB, OP is equal to OQ. These two are given. So therefore OA minus OP is equal to OB minus OQ. Then it is AP is equal to BQ. Equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Mark this equation 1. And then take triangle in triangle POB and triangle QOA. OB is equal to OA, OP is equal to OQ, and angle POP is equal to angle AOQ. These two are given, and this is common angle. Therefore, triangle BOP is congruent to triangle AOQ by SAS congruency. Therefore, angle OBP is equal to angle OAQ by CPCT. And mark this as equation 2. Then now in triangle BXQ and triangle AXP, BQ is equal to AP from 1. Angle BXQ is equal to angle AXP, vertically opposite angles. An angle OBP is equal to angle OAQ, proved in 2. Therefore, triangle BXQ is congruent to triangle AXP by EAS congruency. Therefore, BX is equal to AX and PX is equal to QX. CPCT. Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is the question clear to you? Here to congruency, you have to use it. And remember this because this is again needed for furthermore. We need to use congruency in quadrilaterals also. Circles also it is needed. In circle chapter also it is needed. And further for other chapters also it is needed. That's for class 10th also it is needed. Because there you are going to learn similarity of triangles. If your congruency basics are clear, then only you can easily solve similarity. Okay, the next question, 12th one. PQ is parallel to AC, extended. AC is produced to R such that CR is equal to BP. QR by 6 PC we have to prove. Like this pointers and Yes. Try first by yourself. Give you 5 minutes time. Try first. Yes, what can be done? Any idea?
Mom, we have to prove congruency between triangle QBM and MCR.
No. You have to prove M is midpoint of QR. So QR is bisected by PC you have to prove. That means QM is equal to MR we have to prove. And only this part BP is equal to CR, not BM is not equal to CR. So we can't prove that. They are not congruent.
Now we have to prove a triangle CMR is congruent to triangle QBM. No,
QPM we have to prove.
QPM.
Yeah. BQP is equal to triangle. How?
Not given.
Wait, Vedam.
All the angles of equilateral triangle is 60 degrees.
So B, C, A are 60 degrees, right?
One angle B is 60 degrees and as QP is parallel to AC and taking DC transversal, angle C is equal to angle P by corresponding angle.
Yes, right.
And then
So this is already 60. This is also 60. So that means this angle will become 60.
okay. And then by angles and property, then angle Q is also 60.
All sides are equal. So therefore BP is equal to PQ.
Okay. And therefore QP is equal
BP is equal to CR. So CR is equal to PQ. PQ and CR are equal. This M is vertically opposite angle. And anything you can take. This angle Q is equal to angle R.
Alternating.
Alternate interior angle. So therefore AAS criteria. Two triangles are congruent. And therefore QM is equal to MR. So therefore PC bisects QR. Is that clear?
Ma'am, can you repeat? I don't understand.
Angle P is equal to angle C. corresponding angles. Angle C is 60, therefore P will be 60.
Hmm.
Angle some property, angle Q is 60, so this is equilateral triangle.
Hmm.
Therefore BP is equal to PQ.
Yeah.
BP is equal to CR given, so CR is equal to PQ.
Yeah.
Then prove PQM and CMR congruency.
Okay. So one side we have
Two
vertical,
angles.
vertically opposite angles we have, and this angle is equal to. Okay, ma'am.
QR bisects BC. That means, okay, PM is equal to MC. You have to prove PM is equal to MC. Because QR is bisecting PC. That means PM is equal to MC, we have to prove.
Ma'am, angle A is equal to angle B and angle C is equals to 60, ma'am. All is equals to 60 or
Yeah, it is equilateral triangle, no?
okay.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? Because I will take the test on this part also separately. You should be clear. Don't only copy down and keep it in your notebook. I will take separate test from NCRT, separate test from RS, separate test from RD for this chapter.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, wait others to complete.
Ma'am, even I got.
Others got Tanya, Tejasvi, Trishula, Daphne, Harshini.
Ma'am,
Have you got it?
I got the first part, but second part,
AB is equal to CQ. You got.
yes, ma'am.
So what is DQ is equal to? DQ is equal to sum of which sides?
DC plus CQ.
And just now you have shown CQ is equal to AB.
Yeah.
So DC plus AB.
Oh, okay, okay, ma'am.
These two triangles are congruent by ASA, no? ABP and PCQ.
ASA, yeah. Or
Yeah.
AAS, anything.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got the triangles congruent by AAS. How did you get by ASA?
You have shown A and Q equal. They have shown B and C equal. Alternate interior angles.
Okay, ma'am.
Both are same. Everyone got it? Harshini, you got? Chelsea, Harshini?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how can we solve it? How to prove CPA is a straight line?
Ma'am, in this question, point P is anywhere, not in the.
Yes, not in the midpoint. Not, it is not a midpoint.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this question, should we show congruency between triangle APD and APB?
Yes.
And they're congruent by SS as congruency criteria.
Yes, these are congruent by SSS congruency, right? DP is equal to PB, AD is equal to AB, and AP is a common side. So therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. Consider this as X, this as X.
Ma'am, how are they equal, ma'am?
SSS criteria. DP is equal to PB, AD is equal to AB, and AP is a common side.
Ma'am, even the same is SSS criteria only for the big triangles.
Yes, CPD and CPB also congruent by SSS. CB is equal to CD, DP is equal to PB, as well as PC is common side. So by SSS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. By CPCT, consider them as Y and Y. Now this is around a point these four angles are made. So X plus Y is equal to
360.
360. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 360.
Yes, ma'am.
So x plus y is equal to 180.
Yeah.
So x plus y means angle APD and angle DPC. Both form sum is 180. So this is, that means what?
Linear pair.
These two form linear pair, and for linear pair criteria is they should be on the straight line. So CPA is a straight line. Clear?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
solution clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Prove by yourself.
Ma'am, in this we have to prove congruency between the two big triangles and small, and then we have to take it XX and YY,
Yeah,
and
by
then we have to prove
CPCT.
it.
And then sum of all angles is equal to 360. Then prove x plus y is equal to 180.
Okay, ma'am.
Proof and correct.
Ma'am, when will be our science test, ma'am?
Done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Ma'am, just now. Ma'am, AOC is not a straight line. It's just
No.
something.
Yes. It's not a straight line.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, how to solve?
Ma'am, we have to find the congruency of triangles DOA and COB.
DO and COB. Okay.
And we have that OAB is equilateral triangle, so all three sides are equal.
Hmm.
And all three angles are 60 degrees.
Hmm.
So angle OBC is equal to angle OAD is equal to 30 degrees. 90 minus 60.
This is 60. This is 60. So this will become 30.
In both
This will
cases.
become 30. Right?
This is OA is equal to OB. We know that.
Hmm.
And CB is equal to AD because it is a square.
Yeah.
So by SAS we can find out.
SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent, therefore OD is equal to OC, therefore COD is an isosceles triangle. Everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this O we cannot take it. This is wrong because they are not straight lines. OA is equal to OB because OAB is equilateral triangle. So OA is equal to OB. This angle is 60, this angle is 60. So the angle, full angle A is 90, full angle B is 90. So therefore OBC will be 30, OAD is equal to 30. Okay. So therefore, and then AD is equal to BC because it is a square, opposite sides are equal. So therefore SAS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. And therefore OD is equal to OC by CPCT. So therefore COD is a isosceles triangle. Prove it.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
should we log in into another ID for the test?
Who is this?
Ankita.
Ankita. Yes, it is. You're not in the class today?
Ma'am was in the class since the beginning.
It's 10:05. Right. Now you can join in to the ID.